Hey guys, this is Zach with the Revolver, and today I want to show you the perfect way to fill a 1 1/4 pre-roll cone, a small one. And the ones I have at the house today are by Blazy Susan, the pink ones, and I have one of our king size cones for reference. So we're going to remove the funnel and the grinder assembly, load in the 1 1/4 and load in the king. You'll see the size difference. We're going to replace the funnel over the 1 1/4 since that's what we're going to fill. And we're going to put some material in the grinder here. Be sure with the 1 1/4 not to overfill too much material in. And we're going to replace that. Grind and tap. Once we've got all that in there, we're going to remove the grinder funnel assembly. What you'll notice with the 1 1/4 is some of the material catches on the top of the lip because it rides further down in the slot there. So if you use your tamping tool in a swirling motion to gather some of that material down in there without putting too much downward pressure on the cone, then you can eject that out, take a hold of it, use your tamping stick again to tamp it down a little bit better. There you go. You've got your 1 1/4 cone all ready to use.